Next we have to print this pattern. We can see that in row number 1, first after printing 2 space, it is printing 1. That is, when it is in column 1, it is printing 1. Then after printing in second row, after printing 1 space, it is printing column number 1, and when it goes to column number 2, it is printing 2. Similarly, in third row, it is printing column 1, 2 and 3, and there is no space in front of 1. So how to print this pattern? Hash include stdio.h, then int main. Here I am taking integer variables, integer I, j, n and space. Here I am asking the user to enter number of rows to print. Printf, enter the number of rows to print, and then scanf %t, comma, ampersand. Number of rows are, we have to take that number in n. Now I'm starting my for loop, external for loop. I equals to, we will start from 1, semicolon, I is less than equals to n, semicolon, I plus plus. Again we will start another for loop, for space, for space equals to 1, semicolon, space is less than equals to, it should be n minus I, semicolon, space plus plus. Here we have to print space, so printf within double quotes will give single space, and here we'll put semicolon. Now here we have to print, we have to start our for loop for j equals to 1, semicolon, j is less than equals to I, semicolon, j plus plus, and here we have to print f within double quotes %t. We have to print column, and for column we have this internal for loop. So here we have to print j, close all the brackets, and here we have to print give return 0. Now save the program. Build it and then run it. So it is asking me enter number of rows to print. I have given 4. So it is not going to next line. Reason is like we haven't given \n here. Printf within double quotes \n. Now again save it. Enter number of rows to print. I'm giving 4, and it has printed our pattern. So how it is going? So here I'm asking user to enter the number of rows to print. So here suppose I have taken n as 3. So n is 3. Now loop is running for I equals to 1. 1 is less than equals to 3. Condition is true. Now space is initialized with 1. 1 is less than equals to 3 minus 1, that is 2. It will print first space here. Again it will go here, increase the space variable by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 3 minus 1, that is 2. Condition true, it will print second space here. Then it will again come here, increase the space variable by 1, making it 3. Now condition gets false, so it will come here. It will initialize j with 1. Then 1 is less than equals to 1, condition true, it is printing j. J is 1. Again it will come here, increase the value of j by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 1, condition false, so it will come to next line. So till now it has printed out first line with 2 spaces in front. Now it has come to this line. Again, it will go here, increase the variable I by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 3, condition true. Now space is again 1, 1 is less than equals to 3 minus 2, that is 1, condition true. So it will come here, it will print 1 space. Again, it will go here, increase the space variable by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 is 1 and 2, condition is false. So it will come here and initialize j with 1. Now 1 is less than equals to I is 2, condition is true. So it is going to print first j and value of j is 1. Now here it will increase the value of j by 1 and make it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to I is also 2, condition is again true, so it will print j is 2. 3 is less than equals to 2, condition gets false, so it will come to next line. So now it has printed 1 space and 1 and 2 in second row. Now control has come to this line. Again I is increased by 1, making it, and now it is 3. Now 3 is less than equals to 3, condition is true. Again space is 1. 1 is less than equals to 3 minus I is again 3. Condition gets false, so it is not going to print any space. It will come here, j is 1, 1 is less than equals to 3, it will print 1. J is 2, 2 is less than equals to 3, it will print 2. 3 is less than equals to 3, condition is true, it will print 3. 4 is less than equals to 3, condition gets false, so it will come here. This way it has printed this pattern. Let's run it once more. I'm giving here 4, so it is printing 4 rows. Next we have to print this pattern. So here in first row we have to give 2 spaces and then we have to print 1. In second row we have to give 1 space and then we have to print 2 and 3. In third row we have to print 4, 5 and 6, and here there is no space. So by making change in previous program we can get this pattern. Here we can see that here we are neither printing rows nor column. Here we have to take one more additional variable and we have to continuously increase one in that variable and then we have to print that variable. So here we have taken, previously we have taken I, j, and space variables. One more variable here I am taking, that is k, and I am initializing it with 1. So enter the number of rows to print. We are giving, suppose we are giving 3 here. Now I equals to 1, 1 is less than equals to 3, condition is true. For space equals to 1, now space is also initialized with 1. Now space, that is 1 is less than equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2, it will print first space here. It will go here, space is now 2, 2 is less than equals to 3 minus 1, that is 2 is less than equals to 2, condition is true, it will print second space. Now space is 3, 3 is less than equals to 2, condition gets false, so it will come here. Now j is 1, 1 is less than equals to 1, condition is true. Now here instead of printing j, I am printing k. K is 1. Now here it will go up and increase the value of j by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 1, condition gets false. So what we have to do, before coming to next line, we have to increase the value of k by 1. Now k here is 2. Now it will come to next line after printing this 1. Now our controller is here. Again it will make the increase the value of I by 1 and now value of I is 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 3, condition is true. Now again space is 1. 1 is less than equals to 3 minus 2, that is 1. It will print first space. Again space is 2. 2 is less than equals to 3 minus 2, condition gets false. So after printing first space, it will come here and it will initialize j with 1. Now 1 is less than equals to 2, condition is true, it will print the value of k. Now here new value of k was 2, so it will print 2. Now it will again come here. Now j increase after printing 2, it will increase the value of k by 1 and it will make it 3. Now j is 2, 2 is less than equal to 3, condition is true, so it will print k as 3. Again it will make the value of k 4, it will again go here and now j is 3. Now 3 is less than equals to 2, condition gets false, so it will come to this line, next line. Now it has printed our this line, now control is here. Now again value of I is 3, 3 is less than equals to 3, condition is true. Now again space is 1, space 1 is less than equals to 3 minus I is also 3, condition gets false, so it is not going to print space. Now j is 1 is less than equals to 3, it will print 4 here. Now k is 5, it will go here. Value of j is 2 is less than equals to 3, yes, it will print value of k as 5. Now k is 6, again it will go here, increase the value of j by 1, and now j is 3 is less than equals to 3, condition is true. Now it will print k as 6. Now here k is 7. Now here again it will come and increase the value of j by 1, and now j is 4 is less than equals to 3, condition gets false, so it will come to next line. So it has printed our this line, and now control is at the beginning of next line. Now I is again increased by 1. Now value of I is 4 is less than equals to 3, condition gets false, so here our loop terminates. So it is going to print our pattern. Enter number of rows, I am giving 3 here. So it has printed 1, in second row 2 and 3, and in third row 4, 5 and 6.